how to start a YouTube channel and make money? You're not alone. This is one of the most searched questions on the internet today. First, choose a niche that advertisers pay more for. High-paying niches include technology tutorials, finance basics, education, how-to videos, software guides, and online learning. Pick something you can explain clearly and consistently. Create a professional channel name, a clear logo, and an About section. Include keywords like how-to, tutorial, beginner guide, explained. This helps YouTube understand your content and show it to the right audience. Answer real questions people ask on Google and YouTube. Examples: how to use, how to fix, how to earn, how to learn. The longer people watch your video, the better your monetization potential. Follow these steps to grow your channel and make money.